Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.